But last episode drama. Here we have finally the new tailpiece that arrived because the previous one was too long. And check this out. Like this. We may try to adjust it, and you see what exactly I have in mind. Here is the body of the guitar. I will show shortly the bridge. Bridge is here. Yes. And the rest of this was too long. That was the bridge. New tailpiece is too long as well, but what we can do is this. We can shorten it like this. We'll cut this, we'll make new threads, and after that we will check what exactly what exact dimensions we need for this bridge here. Tailpiece, something like this. Maybe some more allowance for the lock nuts. We have to go somewhere around here, but we can adjust this to the right length. Introducing our furry family member Perry, who, when not hungry, is lending a helping paw by laying his hairy heart on the table, stumbling in. Alright, check this out. What we have here, we have the fretboard, and it needs cleaning, and we have to check the fret markers. Of course, we need to install the frets, and this is what we have as our task ahead. First thing first, we have our universal fretboard cleaner, also known as Windows cleaner, and we start cleaning the fretboard. We have to make sure that we take out all the fret markers. We have to also to assess where is the center line, after which we can make new fret markers and check what exactly the task ahead. Like this. Okay. I'll grab some tools. These are luthier tools. Alright. I need this. And maybe this is it for the moment. I need a crayon. Okay, so we'll grab a center line, 4.5, center is 225. Okay. Here I have almost 6, okay, make it 6, and I grab 3 3. Nothing. Okay, so let's take a center line here. It's 5, so 2.5. And so where is my center line? I something around here. So this rosewood, after we finish with the fret markers and the frets will be polished with the lemon oil, and it will become very nice and shiny. Okay, you saw the mother of pearl. It's very nice, and it's about 2 centimeter wide, and the widest fret markers it's 2 centimeter, so we can use the width, and the fret marker is about 4 millimeters. So if we have here 3 centimeters, almost 2.8, and this means we can make 7 fret markers, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fret markers. And if we are very economical, because the smallest one is about 1.5 centimeters, and we have 2 centimeter width, we can, from this piece alone, we can make all the fret markers. But it will not happen, because when we try to sew it, we will lose at least 1 millimeter per piece. So we have 6 pieces to make. The widest one, 2 ones are 2 centimeters, and the other ones are 1.5. So let us clear the fret markers. I'll be starting by cleaning the fret markers positions. I'm using this cutter, and I have marked about 1 centimeter from each side of the center line, and I'm trying to make a border. All the rosewoods that gets shaved and taken from this fingerboard, you have to keep it, because after that with the glue we can use it as a filler to make the seam around the new fret markers. When you put the fret marker, you can put some glue with some wood shavings, and it will match perfectly the fingerboard. It will not be noticeable. Of course, I don't have the right tools for this task, so as is the old saying, when you have a nail, everything becomes a hammer. This is what I'm using. I also don't have the right skills, so if you duplicate this at your own risk. Don't do this at home, kids. Of course, do it at home. The thickness of this piece of mother of pearl is about 1 millimeter, and the fret markers that were installed here were maybe some microns. They were nothing near a millimeter even in depth. So I'm continuing my precision job of cutting visually what I think should be the right size, and at the end it will be the right size, because there is no different size, it's no right or wrong. This is what it is. At least it has to be somewhat rectangular and symmetric. Okay, so this one almost right. This one has to be cleared. Clean this. At the end it will be fine, because the fret markers will be square, and the gaps will be filled by these shavings. I guess I'll continue off camera and we'll see the results.